Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. I am excited because I woke up this morning and I noticed that I reached 2K. Yes, I reached 2,000 subscribers. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys, because you guys are the reason that I can even make that statement. So I definitely just want to say thank you. So I'm at Walgreens. I'm going to kick this week off of couponing at Walgreens with my Walgreens haul. These are the deals from August 2nd through the 7th, 8th, I think so. It's still early, you guys, so I'm not quite there, but yes, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do some Walgreens deals. In the meantime, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below, and just share the video, you guys. Like I said, I'm just happy. Today is just a good day. I definitely woke up on the right side of the bed this morning. So without further ado, I'm just going to put on my mask and we're just gonna head on into the store. So this week at Walgreens is a really good week to stock up on some laundry items. Got some really good laundry deals going on here this week at Walgreens. So the first laundry deal I'm going to do is the Persil. My store is not tagged. However, it is on sale this week for $4.99. And we do have a $2 off digital, dropping it down to just $2.99. You can choose from the disc as well as the liquid. I'm going to pick up one of the liquids priced at $4.99 and use that $2 digital coupon and only pay $2.99. Next, I'm going to be picking up some Purex and Snuggle. So this week, they are on sale for $2.99. And when you buy two, you receive 4,000 points. And remember, you guys, we still have those $1 off coupons on the Snuggle. They do expire today. And you have multiple things to choose from. You have these sheets that are $2.99. You can also choose from the fabric softener, which is $2.99. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up one of the Snuggle and use that $1 off coupon that we have. Like I said, it does expire today, so I mean, you can still do this deal, but you will not be able to use this coupon. So I'm gonna pair in this coupon with this item, and then I'm gonna move down and grab some Purex, priced at $2.99, and I'm gonna pick up the packs because we do have a $1 off. We do have a $1 off coupon for the packs. So picking up two is gonna total out to $5.98. I'm gonna use that $1 off Snuggle coupon as well as that $1 off Purex coupon. It's gonna drop it down to $3.98, and I'm gonna get back 4,000 points, making these items completely free. Now, since my store isn't that stocked, I will be grabbing the other items for my second transaction. So I'm going to be picking up two more Snuggle items, and then I'm going to move down and grab two more of the Purex packs. And like I said, it's going to be for my second transaction. I just don't want to wait and then come back and then these items are gone. So yeah, let me put these in the cart. Like I said, Walgreens is on fire with the laundry items. This week, the Arm & Hammer items are on sale for $2.99. So what makes this deal even better is that we received $1 off coupons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up one of these Arm & Hammer scent boosters priced at $2.99 and use that $1 off digital coupon, making it just $1.99. Then I'm going to move down to the liquid because the liquid detergent is also priced at $2.99. So I'm going to be picking up two of these liquid detergents, and then I'm going to use that $1 off digital coupon that we have, as well as in today's inserts, we did receive $1 off paper coupons on any liquid detergent. So I'm going to pair in that digital as well as this paper coupon, which will make each one of these just $1.99. I also will be picking up one of the Arm & Hammer, the power packs. Like I said, they are on sale as well for $2.99. And we did receive a $1 off digital coupon. And you can choose from any one of these. You can choose, they have different sizes. I'm going to pick up the one with OxyClean, use that digital coupon, and just pay $1.99 for this. So to finish off this transaction, I am over here in the oral care. Yes, my store is empty, and yes, my store is not tagged. However, this week, Select Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. So I've already checked at the register, and I know that this is one of the qualifying products as well as this one. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them at $3.99. That's going to total out to $7.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, but instead I will be using paper coupons. I will be using 2 of these $2 off 1 Crest coupons found in the 726 P&G. That's going to knock off $4. I'm going to pay $3.98, get back a $4 registry reward, making this toothpaste completely free. As well as I will be rolling over that $4 registry reward into my second transaction. Before coupons, my total comes out to $30.91. After all of my digitals and paper coupons, it's going to drop my total down to just $18.91. And you're going to get back $4 registry reward as well as 4,000 points, making everything $10.91 for 9 items, or about $1.21 each. So for this transaction, I will be using points because you can pay down taxes with your points. So including taxes after coupons, my total will be $21.07. I will use 20,000 points into this transaction and only pay $1.07, which is really good because what I mainly care about is what I pay out of pocket. And then, like I said, I will be rolling over that $4 registry reward into my second transaction. Now for my second transaction, you guys already seen some of the items that I'm going to be adding into this transaction, which is the laundry items. Now I'm going to be picking up some Scott paper products. So the Scott is on, regular price for $5. And we do have a $1.25 Walgreens coupon, which will just drop it down to just $3.75. That coupon can be found digitally as well as in the IBC booklet. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pick up one of these priced at $5, use that coupon, and then it's just going to be $3.75. So the only items left is this shampoo. I couldn't show you guys these items on the shelf because they are tagging that whole aisle. So I just decided to just grab it and just explain it here. So the Tresemme is on sale this week, 2 for $10. And when you buy 4, you receive a $4 registry reward. So what makes this deal so good is that we received these high value 5 off of 2 paper coupons that came out in today's inserts. So I'm going to use 2 of these. This is going to drop it down to $10. And Fetch is giving back $1.10 for each bottle. So that'll give me back $4.40, making all 4 of these just $1.60 or 40 cents each. So that's a really good deal, you guys. Now let me just show you everything. So before coupons, my total comes out to $35.71. I will be using 2 of these 5 off of 2 Tresemme paper coupons, as well as that $1.25 for the Scott paper towel. The Scott toilet paper, which is a Walgreens coupon. I will be using this $1 off the Snuggle since it is a limit of 1. So I can only use that coupon once, and I picked up 2 Snuggles. I will be pairing in a $2 registry reward that I received from last week, which attached to the other Snuggle. I'm going to do the same thing for the Purex. So since I have 2 of the Purex, I'm going to use $1 off Purex coupon. It is a limit of 1, so I have another $2 registry reward from last week that should attach to the other pack of Purex laundry detergent. Then I'm going to be using that $4 registry reward from the previous transaction that should attach to the Scott toilet paper. So after all of my coupons and registry rewards, that will drop my total down to $15.71. I'm going to receive a $4 registry reward, 8,000 points, as well as 4,400 points from Fetch, making this transaction free plus a 69-cent moneymaker. Now, you guys, it's time to just go check out, and I'll see you guys back when I get in the car. In the meantime, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. Okay, you guys, I'm back in the car. So I'm just going to go over my receipts really quickly. So for the first transaction, It came out, all the coupons and everything came. It was just a perfect transaction. Subtotal was $18.91, just like I calculated. And then, like I said before, I was going to use points. So you can pay down taxes with points as well. So including tax, my total came out to $21.07. I redeemed 20,000 points. So out of pocket, I only paid $1.07, which is not bad. Not bad at all, you guys. And I did get back my $4 reward for the crest, as well as my 4,000 points for the Persil and Snuggle. So that was good. Now I'm gonna show you guys my second receipt, and this is where I just knew today was gonna be a good day. So for the second receipt, coupon wise and everything like that, registry rewards, everything came off the way I counted and expected. So $15.71. What made this deal like so beautiful and amazing, you guys, is the person in front of me, the customer in front of me, they had a point booster print off. Spend 25 and receive 6,000 point booster. She did not want the booster, and of course, you guys know I had to tell the cashier that I'll use it, and I did. I wasn't going to use it in my first transaction because I already knew I was using points, and you can't use points on a spend booster because you won't get those points back. But I knew that I was going to be paying cash for this one, so I used that booster for this second transaction. So I paid $15.71. But I got back that the $4 registry reward for the Tresemme. I got back a total of 19,000 points. 19 is because I did hit beauty, so I got back 5,000 points. So if you take away those 5,000 points, then it's 14,000 points, and that's because of the 8,000 points for doing the Snuggle and Persil, and then that 6,000 point booster. So yes, that makes it free. Let me get my notebook so I can show you make sure I give you guys all the calculations. Yeah, so I paid $15.71, got back a $4 registry reward. I got back, I'm not going to count the beauty because if you go do this deal, it's not guaranteed that you reach beauty. So I'm not going to count those 4,000 on those 5,000 points. So I'm just going to say I paid $15.71. I got back a $4 registry reward. I got back the 16,000 points, as well as I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back actually I got back over the 4,400 points because I did get Scott is also a participating brand, so I got a few points from those for that, as well as the individual bottles of the Tresemme. So I got back a total of 4,650 points from Fetch, which is $4.65. So that makes this transaction not only free, but a $6.94 moneymaker, which I am just so stoked about, you guys. Like, I'm pretty sure at every video I'm saying something about Fetch. I really am, but you guys can see why I'm not just saying this. It really pays to use this app. I will be, as always, I will be linking my referral code in the description box, as well as the comment section down below. You can sign up, and they're doing a little bonus where when you sign up, if you're a newbie, you will get 2,000 points, which is an additional $2. And if you're wondering, like, okay, you're always talking about these points. Okay, what can you do for these points? Every $1,000 is $1. You can cash out for gift cards. And the gift cards range from all over the place, really. You can cash out as soon as you reach 3,000 points, which is $3. And so on and so forth. So just doing this deal by itself, if you're a newbie, you'll actually get back like 6,650 points, which is like $6.65 for just doing this one deal alone, which is really, really good, you guys. And this will be free regardless. So yes, definitely sign up today, you guys. Why wait? Because every day, it seems like every week we're having deals with Fetch, and Fetch is just literally just paying us. So that's what I like. After calculating both receipts for transaction 1 and 2, let me see. So the first transaction came out to $10. Came out to $10.91. And then the second transaction was free plus a $6.69 moneymaker, making everything, you guys, right below $4. It's like $3.90 something cents. So $4 for everything, you guys. Everything that I got today. That is like, I'm happy. I knew today was gonna be a good day. I just didn't know how good, but today was wonderful. Thank you guys so much for just tuning in to another video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below. And I just want to thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart for helping me reach 2,000 subscribers, you guys. I love you. And until the next time, you guys, bye.